So we're at the Kansas Aviation Museum, and you see a bunch of airplanes out there, and there's 737, one of my favorite airplanes. And I've never seen one in person with the engines on it, so we're gonna go check it out. And people say it's haunted, the terminal's haunted, and there's this yellow crop duster that is haunted, so we're gonna go see if that's true. Find out if it's haunted or not. Dad, ready?
Let's go. I wonder if this is the crop duster we've been hearing a lot about.
Yes. It's very sad that the guy crashed.
Let's see.
They say it's the ghost that haunted.
In case we catch anything cool.
A hand Mickey or something. Look at that. Oh, look. Here's the other side. Showed it all on the inside.
What do you think? Is this the yellow plane we want to see?
No, I don't want to see the yellow plane. I'm scared to death.
Duke Jernigan was a pilot, and he ended up dying in this plane when it crashed. And so this is one of the hot spots, according to the several paranormal groups that have come out here, that this is haunted.
We found the plane.
Yes. I'm gonna go try something a little bit risky, so hold my hand.
So the rumor is the pilot died in this aircraft, and they restored it, and now it's here on display, and they say it's haunted.
And I talked to some people, they said all the haunted, scary stuff happens at night time.
The plane's in really good shape. It was restored really well.
He has a really nice plane, especially when it's painted yellow. I would really like to see it yellow.
I don't know if it was yellow. So there's his name.
It's a kid, I think.
Okay.
He has a really nice crop dusting plane, actually. Really, really nice one. Do you want me to touch it?
Yeah. See?
Where's the shoes in the mouth?
See?
Where's the shoes in the mouth?
See?
Where's the shoes in the mouth?
Duke was a nice man. He likes aviation like everyone else.
I love aviation. He did have a really, really nice plane.
Look.
Oh no. That looks really bad. So we went out here to check out all the airplanes, and we saw a 727 staircase that goes up to the cargo area. So we're gonna go check it out, and it's also one of my second favorite airplane. No offense to Delta 11. Wow.
Used to be a passenger airplane, and they converted it into cargo, and FedEx Express took it over.
Wasn't it American Airlines 727?
Huh?
Was it American Airlines?
No, I don't think it was.
Yeah, because we saw a picture of it. It used to be painted like.
It could have been.
Hey guys, I just used the restroom and you don't really see it's not that clean, so I don't know why I used it.
Good morning.
I'm just kidding, I didn't use it, but it looks pretty old. It's bigger. Now the restrooms are smaller, so and you got the cockpit here. It's pretty neat. You got 4 seats. Yeah. Can't go in there because they want to keep it reserved. That's actually really cool, Dad. I thought it was really caution. I wonder why it has such a big back here. That's where the engines are. So we took down the B-52, and this one has open bomb area where we can fit all the bombs. I think this thing can fit several nukes, maybe 3. Yeah, it's pretty neat. The one in Florida, it used to have it open, but it closed it. And I didn't really have a chance to see it, so this is pretty cool.
B-52D Stratoforce. So above us, there's a whole other floor. I can get it.
And you know what's also really neat? When it's going out, you can turn the wheels like so it can land sideways. That's why it has those wheels, so like in case the wind's blowing, it can support the airplane where the fuel tank is. So this is pretty neat. And if you can see, I'm under where the wheels go off, and hope they don't go up on me. So we already checked out all the airplanes except for this really weird one. It's got no tail and it's got canards almost like the Tupelo, but it's in the front, and it pushes the airplane instead of pulling it. Museum, and then we saw this place where they make airplane bodies. I think it's called Spirit what?
Aero System.
Aero Systems, and they make body airplanes. And we were not expecting to see these things, but they lure them up on trains and they take them to the Boeing factories, and then they add the wings and the fronts. But we actually saw a couple right here. It's pretty cool how they're not painted and they look green.
Load them up on trains, go all the way across the country to put them together.
One time a train crashed and all these bodies fell into the river.